It's a nice spring day here out on the Alpine and Western Pacific Railroad, and now we're going to go ahead and install the 2 radio towers out on the railroad. We found the first location is going to be up at the summit of where the Klein-Scheidegg station is, the Tahoe Junction, and we have that right on top of the highest tunnel there. And then we'll run the power lead to it. Will come from a little junction box right past the station. So we have the power lead running from the antenna right down, buried under the DG between these 2 rocks here, and then they just run over to our junction box where we have the city power, and we should be able to tie in right there. Well, we have our first radio antenna installed on top of the little mountain here, the top of the Tahoe Junction at the Alpine and Western Pacific Railroad. So we'll make sure we'll come out this evening and hopefully the lights will come on and that there was not a problem with the little junction box where we get the power from. Now let's go install the next one. All right, here we are at the next highest station, and this is on the Alpine division, and this is the Vallis station, and this is the summit station for Vallis. And we're gonna, of course, we have our lookout tower right here, and I'm going to mount install our radio antenna right there, and then we'll run the wire down to where the track is. And on this section on this division of the track, it was one of the older ones, and I didn't run conduit with junction boxes around the track, so this I just have plain old low voltage landscape wire, and we'll just tie into that. Well, we have our second tower installed on the Alpine division up at Vallis station, and we have it installed there, and then the power lead just comes down through these rocks, and we just have it spliced in using those landscape lighting connectors into the city power wire that runs around the edge of the track on this division. The other division, like I said, we have it in conduit and junction boxes, which makes it a little bit more durable and easier to work on, but this will work. Now we'll have to wait for tonight and see how they light up. Hopefully they will light up.